Hello friends, hi. So I am Ravi Dwivedi. So actually I am starting new channel named Bank Nifty Option Trading. So here are my few position details. You can see the date is Thursday, April 22nd, and today's profit is something around 24,925. Here you can see my account, and fund is around like 2,88,000 something. Okay, so here is the profit and here is the screenshot. So I have bought Bank Nifty 3100 call option. Very good trade actually it was. See the timing 10:11:27. That is like hardly 20-second trade. Bought at 142.69 and sold around 162,000 quantity. So here nearly I got around 20,000 something. Then after that I have bought some 500 quantity, just testing like whether the move is happening or not. So I have exited very fast, and again I have bought 31,500 call option, again exited very fast. Then at the last moment I have taken some 300 quantity around 326 and sold around 344. So today the market was highly trending towards a side, and all the call writers got trapped and put writers won. So you can see Bank Nifty here around some 669 points up, and here is the chart. So we can see the chart also. So here in one day you can see very good candle happened today, that is buying exactly around the support area. So actually I've exited very fast, otherwise I would have gained like around 6 to 6 lakh something. But my target is around like 1% of the capital daily basis. So if I get without any other thing, I exit pretty fast. So you can see here in 5 minutes time frame how the candlestick performed today. So I have bought around 142 near this lower area, and after you can see the prices were just trending upside only whole day, and it closed around some 784. So that conviction actually I need to develop to hold longer, and but my quantity was bigger based on the account size, that is like 2.8 lakhs capital. So that's why I have exited pretty fast. Otherwise this was very rewarding day today. But anyway, we are here to learn. So actually I have spent almost like 6 to 7 years in the market, started around 2014, and during that time I was taking trade based on the tips, recommendation, TV channels. My stockbroker Angel Broking were suggesting me some trades here and there. I was making some profit, then heavy losses, and blown my account multiple times. Then after that I learned like spent some money around 1.5 to 2 lakhs in learning and development, which is given me the reward which I am reaping today. Okay, so my target is around 2 to 3,000, but this was very good date, almost 10%, close to 8 to 10% return today on the capital side. So I will be giving all the learnings and development which I have gained after spending 2 lakh rupees for free of cost to everyone. And my humble request is with everyone, like please subscribe my channel and do watch on regular basis. I will be sharing all the knowledgeable pointers based on the price action trading, how to find the opportunity, and how to take the profitable trades, how to manage the risk. Here risk is the only thing which can save us for the long term. The guys who are not having proper risk management mindset, those guys are like losing money, hell lot of money every day, and they blow off their account multiple times, and after that they say market is a gambling and all that, and they exit from the market. So if one person is gaining, so another person is losing. Here nothing but rotation of money is happening actually. So you need to understand like where everyone knows like it is very easy job to put some buy signal or sell signal anywhere, but where to put exactly, what is the area where there is high probability trade setup which will give you good reward. So that is the key actually. So if you are able to identify that, then you will be reaping hell lot of money. Otherwise you will keep on losing the money. I have lost around like close to 4 to 5 lakhs initially, but again I have started with like 1 lakh, and after that I have developed my capital to 5 lakhs. Then again I have withdrawn, and right now trading with 3 lakhs capital. So it is like came after 6 to 7 years by doing multiple mistakes. But after that I have learned from the mistakes and not repeating the same mistakes. And the more you practice the chart, see the chart, observe the chart, then only you can make the money, because chart is money. Everyone is seeing the chart, but see, someone is buying at this lower area which is 30,700, someone is selling there. The guy who have bought today would have reaped hell lot of money today, okay? But the guy who sold here, and if they would have not cut their losses, their account is blown today. So it is nothing but rotation of money is happening. So you need to identify which side is strong. Selling side is strong, buying side is strong, and where is the support area, resistance area. You need to draw the various trend lines, and some indicators I'm using, not all, but mostly I'm reading the price. Where is the price? So if you see in 1 day time frame, market is on selling pressure only. The market came almost like 38,000 from mid of Feb to almost like 30,000 something level, and this is good opportunity area to buy, because the sentiment will improve after some point of time. It is not like market always will fall only. Right now the corona cases are rising. India is seeing like almost close to 3 lakhs cases per day. So that's why the market is falling. And right now you see global market is good, but our Indian market is not performing. So there are like various reasons to that, macroeconomic and microeconomic reason. We won't go there. So I am here to just help you guys to understand the reading of the charts, how to identify the trade opportunity based on the high probability trade setup. And I will be teaching you various candlestick pattern which I have learned almost after paying 20-30,000 for various seminar. Then option buying, option selling, as well as future trading. So right now I am doing option buying and sometimes option selling also, because for option selling we need huge amount of margin also. So if you are able to identify the buying area, then option buying is very rewarding. But if you do option buying in range when the market is consolidating or market is in the range, then we will keep on losing our premium. So that you will be learning after giving sufficient amount of time in the market only. So my humble request is with everyone, like, please follow me and do subscribe me. I will be giving all the key knowledge for free of cost which I have gained for after spending 2 lakhs. I know many guys are there who are not having that sufficient capital money, but they are eager to learn. So my view is like, okay, whatever I have learned I will be giving for free of cost, and there's no charges right now. Let's say after in some point of future I come with some different thing, so you can subscribe or follow me for that. But right now I am giving all the knowledge worth around 2 lakhs of price action trading for free of cost. So please follow me guys, support me guys, and I will be giving all the knowledge. And hope you guys also do well. Stock market is very rewarding career if you know how to buy, how to sell, when to buy, when to sell, and risk management, keeping risk management as a top priority, then you can last longer in the game. But unless and until your mindset or psychology is perfectly developed or aligned with the market, you won't be making money. So whatever mistakes I have done, I will be teaching you all that mistakes, so you can learn from my mistakes and never repeat that kind of mistakes. And apart from that, I will be helping you to cut down your learning journey. So what knowledge I have gained after 6 to 7 years, I will be giving you, and within 1 to 3 months, 4 months, you can learn every aspect of the market. And this is my first video, that this is nothing but introductory video. So let's say after some point of time, I will be giving various trade setups and high probability trade setup along with the chart patterns, and what indicators I am following, and how I am reading the price action, and what I have learned across the future trading, option trading, as well as equity investment, long-term investment. So everything I will be providing you for free of cost. So that's all from my side guys, and I will be also making video in the Hindi, so that other user also get to know about this price action trading. So thank you very much. This is your friend Ravi Dwivedi. Hope you all are safe. Take care of your parents, mom and dad, and especially elders one, and also youngest one like children, and just keep on supporting each other guys. Okay, take care. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.